making a quick run to go get some E85s just in case we need to get out this weekend to do some fun runs. But I wanted to talk to you guys this morning and ask you guys, what would you like to see on the channel? What would you like to see me do? Would it be going to the test and tune into the track more often? Shots of the car, burnouts, things like that? Drop it down in the comments and let me know exactly what it is that you guys want me to do, and we'll try to get it all done. Also, pretty soon, I'm looking for another car. I don't know, Fox body, Trailblazer SS, something. I'm looking for another car to start a build with my oldest son, to get him up and driving. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know, maybe he'll get something like a Focus ST or something, I don't know. But we need to start another build for the channel, and add another car to it. And I think it'll be fun to just do all the mods and everything along with you guys. So just, you know, drop it down in the comments what you would like to see us do, and we'll try to work on that for you. Other than that, man, it's fun to have a cool car in Memphis. I mean, there's a lot of cars out in Memphis that you would not expect to run like they do. Very, very fast cars. I like to call my car a baby racer compared to these cars. I mean, these cars are insane. The little stuff I do, I'm just blessed to be able to do it. But some of these cars running around Memphis, it's like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I mean, it might as well be a spaceship or something. I'm a baby racer. I do what I can when I can. Yeah, Memphis has some insane cars. But you never know what's gonna pull up on you. And 9 times out of 10, they'll pull up on you. And excuse my language, but they'll bust your ass. So it's crazy. That's how I address some more things. I get a lot of people asking me questions on Instagram about why I chose VMP and things like that. Well, what swayed me on VMP, I'll be honest, when I first started my build, I was gonna go Paxton, do a Paxton centrifugal supercharger on the car. But a few years ago, my nationals came to Memphis, and I got a chance to meet a couple of the guys from VMP. YOLO was one of them, and we just got to talking. And you know, he had his car out there. I saw how his car ran down the track. I was looking at all the parts and everything that they had laid out, and I said, you know what? Let me do a little bit more research on VMP before I make this decision. And I mean, they got great reviews, great customer service, and that's what I did. I pulled the trigger on the VMP. Got the kit in. It took about a week and a half for the kit to get in. Actually, it was delivered to my home, and I wasn't expecting it to be delivered. They said it was going to be at my home on a Wednesday, but I came home on a Saturday, and everything was at my door. So I was shocked by that. I was shocked and excited and thankful that nobody took my package, but I was excited, and I laid out all the parts, made sure everything was there. And then I had the debate with myself, excuse me, on whether or not I should attempt to install this kit myself, or should I pay one of the local reputable shops to do it for me. And you know, after getting a couple of price quotes, and I started reading more and more about the installation, I said, wait a minute, I think I can do this. And that's exactly what I did. I went out, bought some really good tools, really good torque wrench, a digital torque wrench, and I said, you know what, worst case scenario, I just screw it up. But if I do it myself, I know how everything works on this kit. So I got out in the garage, me and my youngest son, Carter. We got out there and we started wrenching away. And I did it it took me a few days, because I did it in stages. I went to work. When I got off work, I'll work on it a couple of hours. So I kind of extended it out. I mean, now that I've done the kit, I'm pretty sure I could do it in 8-9 hours. But I extended it out, double check, triple check everything I did. And before you know it, I was at the end of the book. And it was like, load the tune and start it up. Whole time I'm praying. Because I'm like, this is going to be an expensive mistake if I messed anything up. Very expensive. So I, got in the car, started it up. Car fired right up. I mean, idled perfectly. I was like, oh my goodness, I did that. I really did that. I made one mistake installing the kit. I had the throttle body gasket upside down, so it had a little small vacuum leak. And when I data logged the car and sent it over to VMP, they're so good. They was like, hey, check for a vacuum leak, because it looks like on the log that you do have one. So found that little vacuum leak, and it's been running great ever since. I mean, I made some changes to the kit, because when I initially bought the kit, it was a stage 2 kit. So I made the changes of upgrading the throttle body, upgrading the injectors, going return style fuel system, the front mount ice tank, and I've went through 3 different pulley sizes now. I started out on an 82, dropped down to a 79, and now I'm on a 75 millimeter on the 85. But all in all, it's been fun. I'm really happy I went VMP. Sometimes I ask myself, should I have went turbo? But hey, it's more than enough for me. This car is fast enough for me. It's fast enough for my skill set. I mean, because this car can get you in trouble. So it's fast enough for me. And I got a number in my head that I'm going to run, and then I'm going to just take it easy. Another thing is, I don't even have headers on the car. I'm going to go ahead and get headers installed, go ahead and install the torque converter, put some tires on my front runners that's been sitting in the box in the attic for months, and see in the fall, can I get that number that I want. I'm sure it's going to be doable. But I'm going to try to go for that number in the fall, not in the summertime. It's just too hot. I'll go watch everybody else race. Another question I get is my car a Boss 302? Because I got the Boss 302 style stripes on my car. No, it's not. It's a automatic 5.0 GT car. The reason why I put the stripes on it, I really love how the Boss 302s look, and I wanted to do my own spin on it. I call the car Ghost, so I had it designed to say Ghost 302, and I really like it. I mean, I'm not going to keep it like that forever, but for right now, it works for me. Some people don't get it, but as long as it works for me, it's my car, so I get to do stuff that I like, not what everybody else likes. So, and I think a lot of times when guys are building cars and things like that, just care about what you're doing. Don't care about what everybody else is doing. It's your car. At the end of the day, you own it. No one else owns that car. So if you want to slap a sticker on it, slap a sticker on it. You want to put lights on it? Not really my thing per se, but put lights on it. It's your car. Enjoy it. Have fun in it. Make new relationships. Make some friends. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys today about the car. I've also done other things like upgraded the brakes to Brembos, suspension work, rear seat delete, harness bar, waiting on my harness and my lightweight racing seats. I do have a trans brake installed on the car and a 2-step. I haven't mastered that yet. I mean, I tried to come off the trans brake the last time I was at the track, and my finger slipped off the button. So I guess I wasn't used to the, you know, staging with the trans brake. Kind of got a little impatient and released it in red light and red lit. So excuse me. But all in all, guys, I'm having fun with the car. The best thing about this, I got to do this with my boys. They get to get hands-on experience doing things on the car, working on it. So, and I do it all in my garage. So you can too. All it takes is a little researching what you want to do, believing in yourself that, hey, you can do it, and just getting out there and doing it. But again, this build started out as something great to do with my three boys, and it's been awesome. You know, the youngest one is the one that stays out there with me the most. My oldest son, he loves cars. I don't think he likes to work on them though. My middle son, Jalen, I don't think he likes cars at all. He can care less. He can care less about a car. And my youngest son, he loves cars also. I think he's going to be the mechanic out of the bunch, because anything that involves working on a car, he's right there doing every single thing that he can to give me a hand. So another thing, me starting my YouTube channel, I'm just doing it to meet new friends, hang out with my friends, have fun in the car community, you know, meet new people. Not looking to like make money off of YouTube. I don't have enough subscribers, honestly, to even think about something like that. But hey, if one day I get a $5 check from YouTube, I'll put it in the bank. I'll take it. But yeah, I'm just doing it to have fun with the Memphis car community and beyond, and to meet and find like-minded people. Just go out and enjoy our cars. So I got a real pretty Dodge 392 that just pulled up beside me. Love those cars. They're gorgeous. Everything Dodge is doing, spot on. I like Fords, I like Chevys, I like the big three. I'll drive all three of those brands. I've owned Camaro, Trailblazer SS, Honda Civics, Mitsubishi Eclipse, Ford Mustangs, even went hybrid for a while. Can you believe that? Bought me a hybrid. Drove it for a while. I'll never go back to a hybrid. I will drive a Tesla though. I take that back. I will drive an all-electric Tesla. My wife, she really wants one. But yeah, man, YouTube, I'm just doing it to have fun, meet people, meet like-minded people, and to enjoy the car community. I'll say one thing about the Memphis car community. I know Memphis gets a lot of heat for saying it's a very dangerous city, and things like that, but any city can be dangerous. But one thing about the car community, we have an awesome car community, a lot of great people, a lot of people that are just laid back and cool and ain't gonna judge your ride. You get more people from, you know, different areas that try to judge your ride more harshly than the people here. Everyone here is all love. So I haven't met any bad people yet in the car community. It's just a big passion for cars. Now their passion may be a bit different from yours, because I tend to like more performance type mods versus aesthetics, I guess. Because I'll take a ragged out Fox body or something like that that'll run good, and I'll be just as happy with it as a car that looks awesome. just arrived at the station, about to get some go-go juice. Typically, I like to go to Jackson, Tennessee to get my E85, but I was kind of in a pinch this morning, and I needed some really quick, so I came down to South Haven, Mississippi to get some at this Mapco. Quick question, Memphis. Why come we can't have just one station that sells E85? We got 2 smaller cities that surround us that has E85. But the largest city, not one station. Makes no sense to me. I really don't understand it. Oh well, let's fill up this car with some go-go juice and fill up these VP racing jugs and head on back home. It's a struggle, Memphis. We got to get an E85 station. We need to start a petition or something. We need E85 in Memphis.